Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about most important Java interview question called Java program to find factorial using recursive step-by-step explanation. Recursive nothing but same method we are calling inside again. Like suppose this is the recursive factorial, it is a method. This method inside this method, we are calling again this. That is called a recursive. Recursive recalling. So let's develop factorial program by using recursive way. So let's change class name as a recursive factorial. So let's add the main method. So main, let's input integer. Suppose n equal to 6. Recursive factorial parameter is a n. It is return type is a integer. Suppose result. So let's create private method. Static private static integer. Return type is a integer. Let's check. Suppose if n double equal to 0, then I am saying return 1. So factorial starts with 1. Factorial or recursive factorial starts with 1. So for this condition is here n star recursive factorial n minus 1. So let's change here return type n star recursive factorial. Same method we need to call again, that is recursive factorial n minus 1. That's it. Let's print the result SYSO. So n factorial, suppose result, controllers, run a Java application. See, 1 720, right? So 6 factorial is 720. This program we are achieved by using recursive way. This is the simplest way to achieve factorial, recursive factorial. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.